Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're going to talk about circles and how to complete them to a perfect square. Let's start right away. What is the center of the circle given that its equation is x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 6y equals to 12? So right now, there's an equation of the circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, which is the radius. So now we're going to put the x's and the y's together to make it easy for us. So I marked it for you so you understand it pretty well. So write them down: x squared minus 8x and y squared plus 6y. I marked it for you so you can check. And right now there's a shortcut how to solve this, so let's solve it. Always the x's and the y's divided by 2, and the number you get, in my case is -4, you have to square the number. So divide by 2 and square the number you get. That's the rule. That's how you solve it. Divide the number and square it. So after that, you're gonna put a plus sign after both. -4 times -4 is positive 16. And 3 times 3 is positive 9. So the rule was whatever you do on one side in an equation, you do it on the other side as well. So you add 16 on the other side as well. Plus 9. Because we got 9 at the bottom and 9 at the top. And now keep these. After you divide by 2, keep the numbers before you squared it, because you will need this. It will make your life easier, trust me. Open up a parenthesis, and this is how to complete it into a perfect square. So watch closely. X minus 4 squared. This is a perfect square. Why? X times x is x squared, and -4 times -4 is positive 16. You can check it and see it if you do it correctly yourself, by the way. So this is a plus. Oh, sorry for the zoom. Plus point for you. And then open up parentheses at the bottom as well. Put a y. Plus 3, because we got a positive 3. Square it. 3 times 3 is 9, and y times y is y squared. And I'm gonna write it down actually. So x minus 4 squared plus y plus, because in the actual equation of the circle it's a plus, so you do whatever the equation or the rule says. And then y plus 3 squared equal sign, and then this, add these numbers. I just didn't add them until now, just for you to understand. And then after you add it, I got 37. Now how to find center. These are the center at the equation of the circle, and these are the center on ours. And it didn't end yet. It didn't stop yet. So now look at the h, negative h, and we got a -4. Negative and negative is positive, right? So the center for x is a positive 4. Look at the k. We got a negative k over here and the positive 3. Positive and negative will give us negative, so -3 for y. So the center will be -4 to not -4, I'm sorry for my mistake. 4 to -3. Don't get yourself confused, I just didn't see it correctly. So 4 to -3, which is the choice A. This is how you find out the center. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or if you're confused, write down a comment anytime.